Hello everyone. So in this today class we will learn, or in the demo session we will learn about the how the company, the structure, the basic hierarchy, the beginning of the warehouse. So for an example, if you are going to implement a new warehouse, what we should be remembered, the points. So first we have the company name. For an example, ABC company. Company name contains company code. For an example, in the warehouse we have the different storage locations or storage type. In the EWM we consider like all the spaces like an storage types. So suppose in your warehouse the truck came and truck docked to the door. The warehouse workers, they will start the unloading process. So the dock area, that area, specific area where truck stands, the occupies, because in the big warehouses you can see like lines outside the yard, like lines. And also we have where the truck is going to be docked. When we start the unloading process in the warehouse at the door, which is the reception area, when the unloading process will be happen, that area is nothing but a bin. We consider as a bin. If there is a bin, then definitely there would be the storage types. Then definitely there would be the storage section, because the hierarchy. What is the hierarchy? Storage type is a nothing but a container, storage section, then storage bin. So storage type, storage section, storage bin. There is a three kind of the level hierarchy. So where the truck stands, when the warehouse worker they start the loading process at the reception. So the door, the truck area, all the space is nothing but an bin, which is the temporary bin, because permanent truck will not stand there, don't stand there. So those are the temporary areas. Okay. So in my today class, I am going to explain you about the how company. We have one company. Company contain company code. Company code contains plant, and number of plant. So one company code can be connected with the different plants. Okay. One plant contains, or one plant can contain different types of storage types like received on dock. So here in this my class, I will explain you about the deep architecture level, how we do the, I will explain it.